one of our antennas that we have on our website, the Yagi antenna for 4G LTE applications, and unboxing it because it's a bit challenging to unbox it, and a bit of a lazy guy, I guess. So rather than just using the PowerPoint or some documents and photos, I thought, let me show you. So first of all, let me show you what the antenna itself looks like.
The box itself is actually only 2 kilograms, so it's not too bad. When you open it up, actually is a few components in there. So we have the antenna itself, just a little bit. So there's the antenna itself. There's a cable, 5-meter cable, some basic instructions which is somewhat useful, but I'll show you what to do. We have the 2 reflectors, 1 and 2, have a bracket, so this bracket can be used as a wall mount. So you have this thing mounted against the wall, then you have it's kind of a pole structure which you can use, and then the mount itself. So let me show you what you do to get it all together. Is to take it out of the box. That's obviously the first step. Putting on the reflectors. So the reflectors would be this bit and this bit. They are identical, so there's no difference between which one you use where. And then this section here. Now it actually is, I think it was glued and then just left like it is. So you first have to kind of force it open a little bit. So these 2 plastic bits, when I first tried it, you can see it actually is, it looks like it's glued together, but you need to unscrew this. Now that's a 10 spanner. Put that on there, undo this one so that it actually is nice and wide, and then you just need some gentle persuasion, something between gentle persuasion and brute force, to just force it open so there actually is a gap in between these 2. Once you have a gap between them, now I'm missing a hand here, so we have to show this. You can put this in there, in between, so forces in there. Yeah, I'll show you. I'll just assemble, put that in there. And once you have it in the place, in its slot, then you fasten the screw again, and it will be fixed up. I'm going to show you. I haven't fastened it yet, so I just had this slot in there so that goes in and it clicks there, because you can see there's a little hole, and there was a hole in the metal. Now the next step would be to just fasten the screw, and as you fasten this, you have the stuff all line up and it'll be nice and straight. So it's on, it's fixed. That's all tight. So you can see, if you look at the thread, it's been open for about two winds, and it's back again. And there's the antenna by itself. Now the next puzzle in this piece is the actual bracket itself. It's not too hard once you've got it worked out. So it goes like this. So there's a gap in between. As you can see, there's a gap. So the tube needs to go around this way. So have it in this, and then slide it over the slot itself. So you need 2 hands. So right now I have my phone in my one hand. Yeah, I can do this. Goes in, slides in there. Right, you get the idea. So I'm just going to close the video, put it on, and then I'll show you. I just slot it over. So there you go. It slides in. You can see this is still flexible, but it goes in. So you can put it in any orientation. So this is one way, so that it gets mounted as a vertical polarization. But you can obviously do the same and just have this 90-degree angle. So have that in position, back there. So it's on. Fasten these ones again. You only need a 10 spanner. My face again. So what I have now is the antenna assembled. So the reflector is on, the bracket is on, and I just need to get it onto my little pole. So I'll put that on, I'll show you, and then we have a final antenna. So as always, the most exciting bit about an antenna is showing the antenna. There we go, it's on. So bracket is fastened, as you can see. All good. The reflector is on, and the antenna is operational. Here we go.